Method 1 is to charge your Android phone. You need to remember when you charged your phone last time, whether it was charged normally, or clean up the dirt and dust on the charging port of your phone, and check whether the battery is in good condition. Method 2 is to charge your phone then force restart. Plug your phone into a charger and then charge the phone for at least 15 minutes, then force restart. Simultaneously press and hold the power key and volume down key for more than 7 seconds. When you see the phone logo, release both buttons. This will force your phone to restart. Method 3 is to take out the Android battery then put it back. The mobile phone may crash in any state. We can use the power cycle. For detachable devices, take out its battery and wait for a few seconds before reinstalling the battery. On non-detachable mobile phones, you need to press and hold the power button on the device, usually press and hold it for 10 to 30 seconds, then charge the phone for 10 minutes, try to turn it on again. If it still does not work, please try a few more times. For example, press and hold the power button for a period of time. You can hold the button longer, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 3 minutes. Method 4 is to check if the battery is working. If your charging device and restarting cannot solve the problem that Android cannot be turned on, it is time to turn your attention to the battery of your mobile phone. Please check whether the battery of your device is working normally. After charging the battery for 30 minutes, check whether it shows charging logo. If there is no charging logo, you may need to replace the battery.